This is a full custom 2.5 inch exhaust system. Custom made muffler. Custom made bins. Custom made 4-inch tip. I brazed everything together. It was hitting right there on the, I don't know what that's called anyway. But it was hitting there, so I put a rubber O-ring there along with the heat wrap. Keep it from vibrating. Then there's a heat shield that I bought actually. That's the only thing that's not custom on here. Anyway, let's hear how it sounds. I have to put this on so my phone didn't get messed up. I hope that was good enough for you.